This is a USB4 40Gbps Coaxial cable with a 90-degree right-angle connector, supporting high-speed data transmission and up to 100-watt power delivery. First, here is a close-up of the cable, including the right-angle connector and braided cable design. Next, the cable is connected to a 24-pin test board to check the pin connections. The cable is then connected to the power test setup. The real-time power output is shown on the screen. Finally, the cable SE marker information is read with a cable tester. View the full product details through the direct link in the description.